If you guys like that, please like and subscribe. Consider kissing my ass. I don't know.
Hi. Yeah, I would like a chicken with some hot sauce. And, I want some fried green beans and mashed potatoes. Can you do that for me? Okie dokie. See you later, alligator. I can't wait for my food. I'm so hungry. I wish my food would get here. I am very hungry. Where is my chicken and hot sauce? This is outrageous. I think I'm gonna call them back. God! Where's my fucking chicken? I'm getting a call. That bitch. Hello, Stevie Rocker residence. Yeah, I have a dildo. What do you mean I better go catch it? I'm sitting on it right now, you dumb idiot. God! What an idiot! That must be the chicken man. Sorry I took so long, I was busy farting and pooping. I couldn't fucking help it. I kept your chicken warm though. Mr. Delivery Man, that's not what I ordered. Enjoy your chicken, fat bitch. Thanks. Kiss my fat ass.